Hi, this is Anil from Learning Lad with a video tutorial on C programming. So in this tutorial we're gonna see a string function called strerror. So this function is used to print out the error message associated with a error number. So in the tutorial about the exit, you might have remember we were passing a value of 0 to that exit function, indicating that the program has terminated successfully. So for 0 there is a specific error message is there in the C, and similarly for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, similarly for all the error numbers, there are some specific error message, and this strerror function is used to retrieve the error message associated with that error number. So we need to pass as a parameter the error number, and it's gonna return the message or the implementation defined string associated with the value of this error number. So in this tutorial, we're gonna see how we can use them, and also we're gonna see what are the error strings associated with some error numbers. So to use this strerror function in your program, you need to include string.h header file. Okay, now we're gonna see how we can use this function in our program. So this is gonna be a very short program we have written, and also just for the demonstration purpose I just want to show you the error messages associated with the error numbers. So for that purpose I'm going to use a printf function, and we're gonna call that strerror function here, and we need to pass the error number. So we're gonna pass the error number of 0. So I'm gonna save this, execute, compile and run. It says no error. So when we pass a value of 0 or the error number 0 indicates that no error. So now if I close this and change this one to 1 and compile and run this, you can see operation not permitted. So similarly there are a lot of error numbers, and the error messages or the strings associated with them. You can retrieve all those error messages associated with the error numbers using this strerror function. So for this error number 2, it says no such file or directory. So this is it, guys. This is about the strerror function, which is used to get the string form of the error associated with the error numbers. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any doubts, don't hesitate to put a comment in the video, and also like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad and become a fan of Learning Lad. I'll see you in the next tutorial.